Today is a great day. On this 31st October 1875, the Iron Man of India was born. Today, the entire country is celebrating the Unity Day, and I have the privilege to glimpse some of the facts of the life of the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Jhabarbhai Patel had multi-faceted personalities. He was a great freedom fighter, he was a social worker, he was a great sportsman, he was a statesman, and he was a great lawyer and barrister. And he was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and first Home Minister of India. He was a staunch supporter of Mahatma Gandhi and supported the Mahatma Gandhi principle of non-violence, non-cooperation movement. When Gandhiji gave clarion call of non-cooperation movement in 1921, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel strongly supported it. He himself boycotted the foreign goods, and throughout the life till his death in 1950, he did not wear the foreign clothes, and he wore only the Swadeshi goods, used Swadeshi goods, and wore Swadeshi khadis till he breathed his last. Being a Gandhian, he also actively participated in civil disobedience movement when Gandhiji started his famous Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi in Gujarat in 1930. And again, he proved his mettle during the Quit India movement when the Indian National Congress started in 1942. When Indian National Congress in August 18, 1942 decided to start the Quit India movement, on the midnight operation, the British government arrested all the top leaders, and it was Sardar Vallabhbhai Jhabarbhai Patel who actively organized the satyagrahis and mobilized the Quit India movement in an active way. And for that reason, he was also arrested and put into the prison. But due to his strong leadership qualities, he was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in many times. And as a Gandhian, his sympathetic heart melted when he saw the sufferings of the downtrodden, poor, destitute. He actively organized different movements against the British Raj. He participated actively in the Bordoli movement, Champaran movement, Kheda movement, and put pressure on the British government to give revenue concession to these poor peasants, and he was successful in his mission. But this was not this fact. In every branch of his administration, took his touch of his Balmain touch. After independence, when he became the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, he had taken many initiatives for the development of the country. So when Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India, decided to hand over power to Indians, according to the Indians Independence Act of 1947, he had made three provisions that he divided India into two, India and Pakistan. But there were 556 princely states. They were given freedom whether they can join with India or Pakistan. But it is due to the shrewd diplomacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he persuaded the princely Indian states to join with Indian territory, and he was successful. But however, five states, Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh, Travancore, Mysore, these states did not accede their sovereignty and did not like to merge with the Indian territories. But however, despite Pandit Nehru's talk with these states, but he had a confrontation with Nehru and he strongly decided to send Indian army to capture these states. And at last, Pandit Nehru agreed with the proposal of Sardar Patel, and Indian army marched all these states, and Hyderabad, Junagadh, Travancore, Mysore, all these states were merged with the Indian territory. And for that reason, Sardar Jabarbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India, because if one thing that came to his mind, he never left it undone. He determined to do all these things, but at all cost. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had did this. So the country today, the country now remembering him. On the Statue of Liberty was constructed at the cost of 420 million US dollar, and it was dedicated to him on 31st October 2018 by the central government as the Day of Unity. For that reason, today we are celebrating the Day of Unity. And as I told, unity is strength, divided we fall. So I request all my dear students to maintain unity, adopt, adjust and accommodate at any circumstances, and you will grow and prosper. Thank you. Have a nice day.